Namaste everyone, speaking to this episode of Page 3 here at News 9 with me Sakshi Singh Litoria. मैं कैसे ही शुरुआत करूं? I don't know how to introduce the man. He's a legend himself. He's sitting right across me, sir. I might shiver, I might stumble and fumble a little bit. So please don't mind me in this interview. We all know him, Mr. Rajiv Rai. Thank you so much for speaking to News 9, sir. It's a great honor to have you sitting right across me at the table. I never thought that I'll get this chance to speak with you. But sir, after so many years, we've been waiting for a crime thriller coming from you because as child, I have literally thrived on those crime thrillers. That was the only genre that my father never allowed me to watch because he thought that आप डर जाओगे फिर सो नहीं पाओगे रात में. सर तो इतने सालों बाद जोरा आ रही है.
थैंक यू, आपने बहुत तारीफ कर दी मेरी.
सर तो जोरा के बारे में व्हाट डू यू वांट टू टेल अस?
चलो अभी आई थिंक आपको पसंद आएगी, दूसरे आई एम नॉट श्योर सबको आएगी, पर जैसे आपने अभी जो कहा कि आपके पिताजी अलाउ नहीं करते थे, तो मुझे नहीं पता था कि मैंने डरावनी फिल्में तो नहीं बनाई और ना उसमें ऐसे एडल्ट कुछ था. पर एनीवे तो ये भी एडल्ट फिल्म नहीं है. ये डरावनी तो होती है थोड़ी बहुत, जो मर्डर मिस्ट्रीज होती हैं और मिस्टीरियस होती हैं. तो ये फिल्म जो है इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी एंड इट इज़ इसमें जितने भी मैंने कुछ नयापन कोशिश की है डालने की, तो नयापन करने के लिए मैंने सबसे पहले ये सोचा कि इसमें सारे मैं एक्टर्स नए फेसेस ले लूँ, जो बहुत मुश्किल काम होता है क्योंकि कई बार नए फेसेस ऐसे होते हैं, लोग एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, कभी नहीं करते, कभी टाइम लगता है उसको या. तो वो एक अच्छी चीज़ मेरे हिसाब से हुई कि जितने भी फेसेस सब नए हैं, तो कोई भी जाना पहचाना नहीं, एक भी नहीं. मतलब एक्स्ट्रा भी होगा, कोई एक डायलॉग भी बोल रहा है वो भी नया. तो उसमें इंटरेस्ट, कहानी का एक नयापन आ गया. और क्राइम थ्रिलर्स आप सही कह रहे हो बहुत कम बनती हैं, और ये एक्चुअली क्राइम थ्रिलर से ज़्यादा मर्डर मिस्ट्री है. जो क्राइम थ्रिलर्स होती हैं वो थोड़ा एक्शन ओरिएंटेड ज़्यादा होती है. तो अगर आप वो क्राइम के ऊपर होती है, मतलब कोई क्राइम हो रहा है, पर जो मर्डर मिस्ट्रीज होती हैं उनको वो सस्पेंस होता है. तो ये एक सस्पेंस फिल्म है. तो आप गेस कर रहे हो भाई ये खून किसने किया, ये खून काफ़ी होते हैं इस फिल्म में, और वो खून के पीछे कौन है, क्यों रीज़न तो होता है, पर वही गेसिंग गेम होती है. तो ये फिल्म एक तरह से गेसिंग गेम है कि आप जो ऑडियंस देख रही है उसको मैं टेस्ट कर रहा हूँ भाई कौन गेस कर पाएगा कि नहीं. तो वहाँ आपका जो कहते हैं ब्रेन है अगेंस्ट द ऑडियंस है. जैसे मैं कर रहा हूँ टेस्टिंग यू, कैन यू कैच मी, आर यू वन अप टू बी, कि आपने पकड़ लिया मुझे कि नहीं. तो एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ मुझे लगता है. लोग कई बार बोल देते हैं सस्पेंस, तो वो एक बात अच्छी नहीं होती जब लोग जिसने पिक्चर देखी एक्सपोज कर देते हैं. और आज सोशल मीडिया है, तो सोशल मीडिया में भी कोई ना कोई तो लिख ही देगा. तो फिर भी मैं समझता हूँ अगर एक्सपोज हो भी गया फिर भी फिल्म होल्ड करेगी. और आप सोचो कि इसने जो कहा है ऐसे हुआ है, मैं देखूं कि सच बोल रहा है कि मुझे नहीं लगता ये सच है. और जब आप फिल्म देखोगे आपको नहीं लगेगा जिसने जो एक्सपोज की है फिल्म कि वो सच है. फिर भी आप देखोगे एंड तक. वैसे तो हर फिल्म सस्पेंस होती है क्योंकि एंड तो पता ही नहीं क्या है. हर फिल्म स्टार्ट होती है, हम देखते हैं, हमको दी एंड पता नहीं होता, कि दी एंड पता हो जाए तो हम देखें ही नहीं फिल्म. तो इसमें थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा होता है कि दी एंड पता चले, मज़ा नहीं ख़राब हो जाए, क्योंकि द होल फिल्म is on a crime, yes, but it is on murders and why the murder is happening. और इसके पीछे राज क्या है, गुप्त बात क्या है, सस्पेंस क्या है, और ये मर्डर क्यों हो रहा है, जोरा कौन है. तो अभी मैं बॉम्बे में था तो सब बोल रहे थे मुझे कि सब ने पूछने लग गए, जो मेरे को लिखते हैं कुछ लोग, जोरा कौन है.
It's very interesting. Even I was curious what is Zora.
तो अभी मैं वापस जाके मैं जहाँ मैं एडिटिंग कर रहा हूँ, तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ एक मैं ऐसा एपिसोड बनाऊँ, ट्रेलर या 1 मिनट का या आधे मिनट, तो हु इज़ जोरा, तो उसके ऊपर मैं कर रहा हूँ. मैं सोच रहा हूँ कैसे करूँ. मैंने करीब 30-40 बना दिए शॉर्ट्स और स्टोरीज और ट्रेलर्स और कटिंग. तो अभी ये रह गया मेरे से कि हु इज़ जोरा, क्योंकि सब पूछने लगे हु इज़ जोरा, और पूछ रहे कि ये बातचीत होने लग गई है दोस्तों में
बिल्कुल
कि जो ज़ोरा ज़ोरा बोल रहे बट हम मैं दिखा नहीं रहा हूँ तो हुए ज़ोरा, तो वो एक इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट निकल के आ रहा है.
That's really nice. That makes me even more curious and I would wait for that 30-second to 1 minute clip जो
Yeah.
आप बनाने की कोशिश कर
इसको
रहे हैं
मैं
ताकि
ट्राई
थोड़ा
करूँगा,
clarity
श्योर
मिले।
नहीं हूँ कैसे बनेगा. मैं बहुत कुछ बना दिया मैंने, तो शायद ओवरडोज ना हो जाए, तो फिर भी ट्राई क्योंकि लोग पूछने लग गए, एक ऐसे चर्चा हो रहा है हु इज़ ज़ोरा, तो आई एम हैप्पी. पिक्चर ही इज़ अबाउट हु इज़ ज़ोरा, और ट्रेलर भी यही बोलता है हु इज़ ज़ोरा.
बिल्कुल
Yeah.
सर, एडवांटेज ऑफ सोशल मीडिया की आपने बात करी कि आजकल सोशल मीडिया का ज़माना चल रहा है. हम देख रहे हैं दैट पीपल हैड अ लॉट ऑफ accessibility to a wide variety of content out there on OTT nowadays. मैं समझना चाहती हूँ, since you are coming back into the picture after so many years and that too with murder mystery, with modern times, except for the new faces, what new element will you be bringing in the film?
I think new faces bring in an element, and when you make a main चीज़ एक ही पॉइंट होता है, स्टोरी होती है.
जी.
तो आपको कहानी स्क्रीन प्ले जब आप अलग करोगे तो वही जवाब है, दैट इज़ नया. सो दैट इज़ नया, एवरीथिंग इज़ नया.
ओके.
आपने अगर ये कहानी नहीं देखी या सोचा भी नहीं ऐसी कहानी हो सकती है, तो उसमें एक नयापन आ ही जाता है. यू नो द एलिमेंट ऑफ न्यूनेस क्रीप्स इनटू द
Yes.
फिल्म, दैट ओके दिस लुक्स लाइक अ न्यूइश फिल्म. उसके अलावा जो एक्टर्स है, अभी मुझे भी नहीं पता था ये कैसे एक्ट करेंगे, क्या होगा, इनकी परफॉर्मेंस क्या होगी, इनका टैलेंट कहाँ तक जा रहा है, और मैं इनको कैसे ट्रीट करूँ.
जी.
मैंने इनको कभी पहले देखा ही नहीं एक्टिंग करते हुए. तो एज अ डायरेक्टर मैं भी स्टडी कर रहा था कि ये सीन कैसे करेंगे. तो मैंने कभी कभी सीन ऐसे सोचा लेकिन वैसे हुआ. तो यू हैव टू इम्प्रोवाइज ऑल्सो इन द फिल्म as you go along, which is also interesting. Apart from that, इसमें जो मेन चैलेंज रहा वो ये रहा कि जब आप इतने नए लोग लेते तो आप ये भी सोचते हो कि ये फिल्म जो है इसका बजट भी वैसा ही होना चाहिए.
जी.
और जब बजट के ऊपर ध्यान आता है तो वो ये होता है कि वो जब आप एकदम ज़ीरो बजट पर काम करते हो तो फिल्म वैसी अभी कोई बोले मैंने आईफोन पर फिल्म बना दी तो वो एकदम डिफरेंट लगेगी
बिल्कुल.
जो आप देख रहे. तो अगर कोई बोले जैसे मैं आज अगर फिल्म बनाता पुरानी फिल्में तो शायद 200, 300, 500 करोड़ की होती कोई फिल्म या नई फिल्म. तो ये मैंने 2 में की है शूटिंग. तो ये एक बहुत इसमें एक बहुत कैच है. तो उसमें एक अपना नयापन आता. तो एक जो आप देखते आ रहे हो वो हो ही नहीं सकता क्योंकि वो बजट ही नहीं है. जो हर बॉलीवुड फिल्म कहीं ना कहीं सिमिलर लगती है. उसका प्रोडक्शन डिज़ाइन, लाइटिंग स्टाइल और कई चीज़ें हम देखते हैं तो एक सा लुक आता है. हम कहते हैं हाँ ये बॉलीवुड है
जी.
कि हमको पता भी गाना आएगा, हमको पता. हालांकि फिल्म अलग अलग होती फिर भी एक बॉलीवुड का स्टैम्प होता है. तो इसमें वो नहीं है, इसमें पुराना स्टैम्प है
ओके.
80s का. आप समझ रहे हो. तो ये जो ओरिजिनल बॉलीवुड बनती थी और जिस वे से हम स्क्रीन पे लिखते थे और ऑडियंस को प्रेजेंट करते थे एक स्क्रीन प्ले एक फिल्म. तो पुराने का मतलब ये नहीं कि ओल्ड फैशन फिल्म है, लेकिन जो एक बॉलीवुड का जो लोग बोलते आज क्या बोलते हैं लोग, हम मिस करते हैं पुरानी फिल्में, हम मिस करते पुराने गाने, सब कहते हैं ना आपको. तो मैंने उस पर वर्क किया. तो मैं बोला जो भी मेरे को बोलता है यार आपको हम मिस करते हैं. बोले क्यों? बिकॉज बोलता है वैसी फिल्में नहीं बन रही. तो मैंने इसके ऊपर बहुत सोच विचार किया. तो मुझे लगा मैं एकदम ही पुराने फैशन की बनाऊंगा तो कोई देखेगा नहीं. लेकिन मुझे अभी जो एक डिमांड आगे आ रही है कि एक जो बॉलीवुड का एक फिल्म जो हम आइडेंटिफाई करते थे बॉलीवुड फिल्म है और डायरेक्टर्स बनाते थे आज अलग बनाने लग गए. तो मैंने कोशिश की है कि उसका एक परफ्यूम कहते स्मेल, एक उसकी एक खुशबू आए फिल्म के अंदर. यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. तो वो मेरे लिए बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है और मैं लेके आया हूँ. तो एकदम इट्स नॉट जो आज आप देख रहे हो, आप बोलते हो बहुत पिक्चरें बन रही हैं OTT में, तो हर सेकंड फिल्म मर्डर मिस्ट्री होती है. तो अगर मैं वही बना दूंगा तो मैं फिर OTT में डालूँ तो वैसी फिल्म नहीं. ये लिटिल बिट इट्स गॉट दैट बॉलीवुड हैंगओवर ऑफ व्हाट आई थिंक people are missing.
So are we expecting a track list in this? Is there going to be any track list?
Music. No. Music is missing. इस स्टोरी में मैं नहीं कर सडनली गाना आ गया, सडनली डांस आ गया, वो सब नहीं है. लेकिन येट अभी देखिए पुरानी पिक्चर आपको इत्तेफाक याद होगी या आपने
जी,
सुना होगा।
जी।
अभी मैं आपको काफ़ी फिल्मों का नाम देता हूँ जिसपे गाने नहीं थे पर हिट हुई, जैसे कानून थी। तो ये इस वो क्या होता था, वो सब सस्पेंस थी और उसमें सब था, पता नहीं मर्डरर कौन है, एंड में विलन कौन है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आती थी।
बिल्कुल।
तो जब आप एक अमेरिकन स्टाइल में फिल्म बनाते हो तो उस पर गाने नहीं डाल सकते। तो आपको छोटी फिल्म बनानी है, आपको बहुत लंबा उसका रन टाइम नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि लंबा होता है तो आप जानते हैं आज लोगों का टाइम स्पैन कम हो गया है, लोग बैठेंगे नहीं। और सो मुझे वो भी ध्यान में रखना था, और ये भी था कि पिक्चर स्लो नहीं पड़नी चाहिए, गाना स्लो करता है
जी।
और इसमें रोमांस है नहीं, तो जनरली गाने रोमांटिक होते हैं, जनरली वो है नहीं। तो ट्रैक्स जो मैं अभी करूँगा, ये 2 पिक्चरें मैंने की, इसमें तो गाने हैं, ऐसा नहीं है, लेकिन वो नहीं, वो एलिमेंट नहीं है। तो अभी मैं जब अगर एक और फिल्म बने तो उसका ट्रैक लिस्ट बहुत ही सॉलिड होने वाला है, क्योंकि अभी मैंने ये कर लिया। अब मैं म्यूज़िक है इसमें, बैकग्राउंड म्यूज़िक, प्लस इसमें पुराना एलिमेंट, एक जो बॉलीवुड का एक जो फील है कि हाँ हम एक बॉलीवुड फिल्म देख रहे हैं जो आजकल नहीं बनती, वो है विदाउट दैट म्यूजिक यू आर टॉकिंग। सो दैट इज देयर, एंड आई थिंक इफ आई जस्ट स्टार्ट पुटिंग a Helen kind of a dance or a number, what they call item number, or if I start doing things, no, that I will not do. I have never done also. So musically करने के लिए आपको स्क्रिप्ट वैसी ही बनानी पड़ती है, उसके लिए टाइम जाता है, और म्यूजिक में बहुत टाइम जाता है, म्यूजिक में बहुत बजट जाता है। एक वन सॉन्ग कैन कॉस्ट यू विद पिक्चराइजेशन अबाउट 4 to 5 crores if you have dancers. The film is made in 2 crores. So to suddenly start raising the budget is not my USP. My USP is watch the film for the budget. Watch the film because see what happens when you don't have a budget. You know what happens? You start concentrating on the script more.
Yeah.
Because now you don't have money. So now how do I make you sit and watch the film? So the focus is 100% on the script, but that is only what can keep you interested. Otherwise you say, oh, I have visuals, I've gone to so many countries, और मैंने यहाँ का ये किया वो किया, वो अच्छी बात है, वो फिल्म को हेल्प करती है, नो डाउट, बट इसमें सब्जेक्ट डजंट रिक्वायर दैट। एंड प्लस व्हेन यू रियलाइज कि आई एम मेकिंग अ फिल्म इन अ टाइट बजट, you also realize that my job is more tougher because with no money I need to make you glued to the screen. So I think I might just be successful in that here. So that is my challenge. That is my kind of when I started this film, I wanted to do something different. I wanted to take 20-30 new faces. I wanted to work on a zero budget to see how well I can do that. I know I can do it very well if I have a budget. And if I want to make a big film, you know it, I know it. I might be good at that. But am I good at this? So this was very interesting for me as a director. And giving you an example, I don't want to take too much time. This happened with Alfred Hitchcock.
Yeah.
And he was one day told that you're a bad director.
Yes.
So he said, why? He says, because your films are not directed, they are edited. He said, really? So then he made a film called Rope. Without one cut. It was one shot. It had 9 cuts because the reels were changing. So he said, really? And it became the biggest hit. So he made his point. That don't say that. So if you're going to tell me that I'm editing the film and you're enjoying it, no, I'm not editing the film. So it is like, okay, you're Gulshan Rai's son, you're born with a golden spoon, you had all the money, and I did. I was blessed, I was lucky, and I was fortunate. But then I tell myself, let me put myself in the position of an 18-year-old man or a boy who has no money. And his struggle is, I want to make a hit film. So I put myself in that position. I purposely did it because I said, no, I'm bored of doing what I do. You get bored. If you keep doing the job you're doing right now, you're going to get bored. So one day you'll say, I need to change my job. Similarly, I need to change my job. So this is what I did to myself. But that doesn't mean I made a bad film.
Absolutely.
You got my point? So this is how this thing evolved. Zora has evolved, it's taken a shape. And that is what Zora is unique, but it's about a woman. So you will be intrigued about that woman. I promise you that.
And sir, last time, because since you have mentioned that Zora is going to be about a woman, I have not, I would say I have rarely seen in the earlier days, any women-centric film as per se.
Yeah.
We do know that women were there just for the elemental purpose in the Hindi film industry
Yeah.
back in past.
Yeah,
But when Gupt came,
yeah.
I was not expecting Kajol.
But that was the
in
whole.
a-
That was the angle to the film. See, in every film, you need to have a hook. Maybe we call it the hook. So when you tell the story in say 2 minutes, like my dad used to say, बेटे मेरे को ये 2-3 मिनट में कहानी बताओ, वो हाँ ना बोल हाँ तो थी मेरे साथ लेकिन अच्छी, वो 1 सेकंड में बोल देगी बहुत अच्छी, बिकॉज उसमें हुक होता है. तो जब मैं भी लिखता हूँ तो मैंने देखा जोरा में हुक क्या है. तो हुक आपको ऐसे डालना पड़ता है जो पहले नहीं आया. दैट इज द हुक. सो इट इज नॉट गुप्त. Gupt had a different hook.
Absolutely.
So this has a different hook. Something that hooks you.
Yeah.
So that is the important thing as a writer and as a director. So that's a challenge. That is what is interesting in creative work. So creative work, they say, oh, is this creative work? All the films are like this. But I tell you something, it is creative work. And the creativity is on the script stage. There's a creativity in editing, but that's different. So this probably has been my most challenging film, and also for me, whether it works or it doesn't work, the most interesting film. It's got a lot of new elements. So I'm hoping, even through this interview, that people who are seeing this interview try to look beneath what I'm saying and look through me. What I'm
Absolutely.
the message I'm trying to give. So I think you understood.
मैं गुप्त की बात इसलिए भी आपसे करी थी बिकॉज आई रियली वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम यू कि बैक देन
Yeah.
व्हेन यू डिसाइडेड दैट द किलर इज गोइंग टू बी अ वुमन,
Yeah.
Kajol is going to be.
Yeah.
Were there any questions which were raised back then?
Of course. First question that was raised, well, I didn't tell my story to anybody.
Okay.
Okay. So who's going to raise? Except my unit, they're not, they're working. Generally speaking, people around in the trade knew I was making a murder mystery,
Ji.
a suspense. They didn't know it was a woman. Nobody knew. So, but they knew that there is a murderer, and after the first show, the whole country will come to know, and then the film won't work. So there was a concern, and this was the talk. So in short, everybody was telling me, don't make this. There was not one person who said, I think it was my wife then, Sonam, who said, make this. This is such a fantastic subject, and she encouraged me. But apart from that, when Kajol heard it, she says, there is no way I'm not doing this film. And when I wrote it with the mind that if she says yes, I will make it. If she says no, I'm not going to do it. I didn't have a choice. She was my only first and last. So, everything is destiny. Every film is destined to go somewhere. And we think we are great, we made it. Believe me, no. It just happens. Creative, it just one thing leads to the other, next thing leads in the, and suddenly you realize, oh my God, this film worked. And when everybody was saying, don't spend so much money on a suspense film. Suspense films are not that big hits, and they are very risky. So I had to really think. I said, to hell with it. I think, I don't know whether it'll work. I didn't care about them exposing the end or the suspense of the film. If that was worrying me, I wouldn't be able to do the film. So right now I've done Zora. No, I know on first day it might get exposed, but if I worry about it, I can't do the work.
Absolutely.
So I don't worry about it.
That's really interesting. Sir, also if I could ask you about Mohra, what were the challenges with that? Because in one of the very recent headlines I have read about you speaking about your sort of connection and your work experience with Akshay Kumar.
Yeah.
Also being quote unquote calculative. So if you would like to highlight.
But Akshay
something.
Kumar, I said all good things.
Yeah.
Have you seen that one or you've seen
Yeah,
some?
no, sir. I have seen. I've seen the balance.
I'm very scared
No,
of talking badly.
not at all,
He's
not
a very
at all,
tough
sir.
man. I don't need to. If he socks me, I had it. So, Akshay Kumar is the gentleman. He's a very well-behaved actor. the thing about him, he's a professional actor.
Yes.
What I mean by professional is he comes on time and he will deliver the goods, whatever the director wants in that period, that he's giving you. And he's also an actor who's disciplined. So when I worked with him, and what I remember is he used to come 2-3 hours before, and there was, stunt-bazi going on every day. Every day there was some action. It was like I had become an action director in the film. So every day my heart was in my mouth, maybe injury nahi ho, ye nahi ho, वो बहुत डर लगता था मुझे. But I wanted to do the film. And he used to come, and for 2 hours he used to practice in the set, because the set was laid out, lighting was happening, it was huge sets, and then he would come and get the action assistants, a guy, and practice. And I used to keep looking at that. And I said, wow, I've never seen anybody do this. So that was incredible. So that's why I praise him. And that dedication is very important for an action guy like Tom Cruise.
Absolutely.
I mean, the way you hear the Tom Cruise stories now, no actor does that.
Yeah.
Okay? This guy was doing that. So he's the Tom Cruise of India. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Back in the 80s and 90s.
Yeah.
So he was working that way. I want to do everything myself. He never used a stunt double. He would give all the shots.
Yeah.
So we should give him that credit and call him our Indian Tom Cruise. And he's handsome, he's a handsome
Still
man.
handsome.
Yeah,
Still
but I don't
handsome.
think he got that tag. So maybe this is the first time I'm speaking about this. I hope this goes viral, So he'll call me, what are you doing,
Apart from that, sir, you did try your hand in romantic genre as well.
Yeah.
How did that work out for
No,
you?
I'm not a romantic guy. Let me tell you, my love life has always failed. Everything around love, and I could never give time to romance or to. I'm not successful. I'm a successful director with not a very sort of a very thanda romance. My past where this is concerned is I don't know the words. I'm probably not made for romance, and I'm not made, since I'm not good at romance. I don't think I'm good at making a romantic film either. And I don't say can make a great romantic film like Suraj Bharjatia or Sanjay Leela Bhansali. They're far ahead in the game than me. I'm like 100 miles behind. I'm okay. I want to do my films. And my films don't have much romance unless it's required. So just to make a pure romantic film, I don't think about it. And I think directors, I feel, who think about it are romantic. So what does that mean? I think about action. So am I thinking about action in real life? Can I do it? No. But I love dreaming about, the whole day I'm dreaming. There was a time I used to dream about music. Music I'm good at. And how to do the action differently. And I try my best to put the camera angles. I shoot with 5-6 cameras. I have done a romantic film. I think it was a very good film. I think it was. I mean, in your lifetime, you should try every genre.
Absolutely.
You should try. I've not tried family drama. Rona Dhona and all that. So that's also a tragedy, a family drama, which is very Indian in culture, like Badhai Ho or something. Somebody is getting pregnant and this is happening. You have to be thinking about it to be able to catch that script when it comes your way. So I don't think my mind goes to all this. My mind has always gone somewhere else. It's drifted away. So I'm not interested much in tampering with romance. I'm scared. Because when you look at your own life, I'm 70 today, and when I do a flashback of my entire life, and I feel, no, Rajiv, stay away from romance.
Sir, on that front, I really want to ask you, because our Indian filmmakers, specifically our Hindi movie makers, they are nowadays being heavily scrutinized for the kind of scripts that they've been working on, for the kind of projects that they've been bringing. Even with ensemble star cast, the movies are not venturing out very well at the box offices.
Yes.
I really want to ask you, where are we lagging and where is the resurrection?
Oh, we are lagging basically on a script level. The scripts are good. So what happens? You have a good story. Now, where it goes wrong is when you do the screenplay of that story. So story is very important, and then the screenplay goes wrong, you had it. So if you see Hollywood films, they never write story. Screenplay is your story.
Yeah.
Okay, we write story here. It's in our culture, Bollywood films, and rightly so. But the screenplay writing is a very professional job, intense job. Actually, it's sometimes more intense than the director's work.
Yeah.
It has, so like everybody says, what is important is the script, and that's true. If you got a wrong script, no matter how good a director you are, it's not going to work. You have to fluke at that. Maybe something works, उसपे एक गाना निकल गया, कुछ हो गया तो लोग देखने लग जाते.
बिल्कुल.
Yeah, so anything happens here. There's no thumb rule that this works. So script for today is lacking a bit. The screenplay. And where again things little tumble over is, I think directors or producers get very attached to their work when they shoot it. So when you edit, you should not have attachment.
Right.
You should forget this is your film and hack it.
So is there any recent movie that you would have seen and you thought that no, now this is something new? This is
Well,
something
a lot of
that
films you
Indian-
feel are new, and a lot of films that work, they work with a big length also. And like I felt Sayara was pretty fresh for me, new, and it deserves the success. And it's well shot, kind of well written, and well executed, well acted, and the director's done a very kind of slyly a very good job. You know, he's been like a smart man. So apart from that, of course, that is a big hit. So I'm trying to think of some other example because that everybody knows. And sometimes you watch a film, I don't get it off my head. I mean, I can't think. You see a film that hasn't worked and you realize this was a good film that hasn't worked, but that's rare. A lot of the kind of films you see that you like say for example, a Lapata Ladies.
Yes.
You know, it's well edited.
Yeah.
You know, and it's well written also. Well. Kind of, I think the screenplay must have been very good, and a lot of films of if you see Rajkumar Hirani, for example, his films are long, but he's an editor. Do you know that?
Yeah.
He's an editor
Yeah,
first.
yeah.
So his scripts are fantastic. He's got the pulse of the audience. But what he does is, he's the smartest editor we have. Because he's been an editor. If you see the film, there is not a dull moment.
Yeah.
So those films are very well edited. So there are hundreds of examples of good work.
Okay, last but not the least, circling back to Zora sir, would you like to request to the viewers why they should be watching the film? What's in it for them?
See, this is like, I've been saying this a lot because, you know, I might get thrashed or people, I hope nobody roasts me on this. Please, God's sake, take pity on me. And because I'm repeating myself, and sometimes on, you know, on the YouTube, they say, this chap, look at him, what is he doing? But I think it's very important for actors to see when I'm taking 20, 30 new faces. They could be one of them. So keep the struggle on, and you can all get opportunities, you know. And it's not only me. There are many directors who want to do this. The other thing is, the USP of the film is the budget, and I think it's very important for audiences to be sympathetic towards me. Great fun.
Thank you so much, sir.
It's
All the
been
very best for
lovely.
Zora. I'm definitely going to give it a watch.
Yeah.
And I am going to review it.
Thank
so
you. I would like that.
And
And you can review it honestly. I don't mind what it is. So
no,
don't
no,
worry.
absolutely,
Yeah,
sir.
thank you.
Absolutely,
Thank
sir.
you,
And
ma'am.
welcome back.
Thank you.